name is Samia Pervez Sheikh. I am currently 16 years old and I'm daughter of Dr. Roshan Pervez Sheikh.
My name is Sania. I'm daughter of Dr. Roshan Parvez. I topped in science. My main focus was on studying it constantly without forgetting it, revising one day. You have to revise it constantly to remember and to recollect everything while writing an examination. So the best part is you have to study constantly. If you give a break between chapters, your link is going to be broken, and that will serve as a backlog for your answers written in the paper.
नागपुर के गोरेवाड़ा रोड पर उत्थान नगर स्थित लाइफ केयर क्लिनिक की संचालिका डॉक्टर रोशन परवेज की दोनों बेटियां इस वर्ष 10वीं क्लास में मेरिट स्थान में रही। सेंट जोसेफ कॉन्वेंट स्कूल से शिक्षा ग्रहण कर सामिया परवेज शेख 10वीं क्लास में मैथ्स विषय में 94% प्राप्त कर मेरिट में रही, तो वहीं सानिया परवेज शेख भी 10वीं क्लास में साइंस विषय में 92% लाकर मेरिट में रही। सामिया एवं सानिया ने अपने मेरिट आने का श्रेय अपने पेरेंट्स व गार्जियन को दिया है, जिसमें विशेष सहयोग रहा एजाज एकेडमी एवं उनकी पूरी टीम का।
जैसे कि आप मैथ्स में टॉपर आई है, तो टॉपर आई है तो इसका जैसे पढ़ाई पर आपने कैसे कंसंट्रेशन किया है, या आप इसे क्या पढ़ाई को ही मानती है टॉपर, या और कोई कारण है?
There can be various reasons where I have topped in my mathematics. Obviously, hard work is a key, but the guidance of your parents and their constant support also plays a key role. I can say maths is all about practice. You do practice every day and you can ace it. Nothing's ever hard if you don't work hard for it. So my reason for topping in all the subjects is that I constantly worked hard and I had the support and guidance of my mother on my back every time.
आगे क्या बनने का लक्ष्य रखा है फिर?
As you know, my mom is a doctor, so I also have a dream to become a great doctor, just like her, serving people in need and in vain.
नहीं, इसमें ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आपकी मॉम जो है डॉक्टर है करके, या प्रेशर है किसी का फैमिली का तो ही आपको डॉक्टर बनना है?
No pressures. I've seen my mother helping people, serving people, so I also have that thought in myself that I need to serve people, I need to help them. So it's that reason I want to become a doctor. No pressure from my family. It's a personal choice.
आप अपने उम्र के जो है विद्यार्थी, उनको क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे?
You cannot study all time, but when you have to study, you study with full concentration. Okay, recreational time is needed, but when you do study, just focus on your studies. Apart from going to school and coaching classes, you need to have a self-study timing of 6 to 7 hours minimum. Max you can go, but minimum you do 6 to 7 hours. And when you study that 6 to 7 hours, be full focused. Keep your full concentration on studies only. That's the key to success, I think, personally.
तो वहीं विदर्भ मुस्लिम फोरम एवं अल इब्राहिम एजुकेशन सोसाइटी नागपुर की ओर से विदर्भ गौरव अवार्ड का आयोजन किया गया था, जिसमें 10वीं क्लास में मेरिट आने पर सामिया एवं सानिया को उपस्थित मान्यवरों के हस्ते मोमेंटोस प्रदान किया गया।
बेटा, जैसे भी आपकी मॉम डॉक्टर है तो आप भी डॉक्टर ही बनना चाहोगे, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं से एक बंधन है, एक बंधन में है क्या कि मॉम डॉक्टर है करके आप भी डॉक्टर बनना चाह रहे हो?
No, it's a personal choice and a childhood dream to be a doctor. Seeing your mother serve people, seeing people happy after they recover, they are happy that they are once again regenerated. You have to help them. It has been a childhood dream. There's no pressure from my mom. I've always wanted to become a doctor, and that's just my childhood dream. There's no pressure in that.
ज्ञात हो कि विगत 10 वर्ष पूर्व पल्लोटी स्कूल के समीप लाइफ केयर क्लिनिक नाम से एक बड़ा हॉस्पिटल हुआ करता था, जो कि सामिया एवं सानिया परवेज शेख के वालिद की आकस्मिक मृत्यु हो जाने से अब यह हॉस्पिटल बंद हो चुका है, जिसे दोनों बहनों ने डॉक्टर बनने के बाद फिर से शुरू करने का प्रण भी लिया है।
जैसे कि आपका इसके पहले भी हॉस्पिटल था जो अभी बंद हो चुका है, तो डॉक्टर बनने के बाद उस हॉस्पिटल के लिए आपका क्या ट्राई रहेगा? यानी
I would try to give my best to that hospital. I would recollect it, regenerate it. I will try to work my heart, and I will always be serving it because it was shut down due to some familial problems. But I will do my best to reopen that hospital. It has been my dream, and I will do my best in doing so.
जैसे कि आपका हॉस्पिटल एक है जो बंद हो चुका है, तो उसको शुरू करने के लिए आप आगे कैसे प्रयास करेंगे?
You know, me becoming a doctor, my main ambition to become a doctor is to restart that hospital. It was closed in front of our eyes due to some familial issues, but my dream is to open that hospital once again and see my mom as the director of that hospital, because it was a very perishing, very successful hospital. So my dream is to open that, and I'll put my best, my everything to open that hospital once again. After I become a doctor, inshallah, I will work my heart to do the best in it and reopen it once again.
बेटा, ऐसे बच्चों को संदेश दीजिए जो पढ़ाई में अनसक्सेस हो जाते हैं और मेंटेलिटी फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं, तो ऐसे बच्चों के लिए आप क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे?
You have to take a break, find yourself, and then pour yourself into studying. You don't have to study constantly if your mind is being diverted, but when you're studying, you have to focus on the thing that you're studying. Your mind should not go elsewhere, or it should not be imagining things it shouldn't. You have to study while you're studying with full focus and being attentive at what you're studying. Then nobody can stop you from acing anything.